All right, so today we are going to be talking about how to write linear equations for a given scenario. The first scenario that we're looking at, number one here, says write the equation for a car that costs $3,000 down at signing and an additional $200 a month. So to write any linear equation, we need to be able to identify the slope and the y-intercept. The slope is just what's repeating. So it's whatever you're doing every month, every week, every day, every hour, whatever it is, but it's going to repeat consistently. The y-intercept is your starting point. It's the initial cost or the initial amount. So in this case, our slope, what's repeating, well, we're paying $3,000 at signing. So that's just going to happen that one time when we're buying the car, and then $200 each month. So I'm repeating that 200 every single month. So that would be our slope. The y-intercept is what's happening just the one time. And in this case, we're just paying $3,000 once. So that's going to be our y-intercept. So now we have to put this all together. If you remember from Algebra 1, y equals mx plus b, which is just slope-intercept form. M is the slope, b is the y-intercept. We know our slope is 200, so instead of m, I'm going to write 200. We know our b or our y-intercept is 3,000, so instead of b, we're going to write 3,000. So we end up with y equals 200x plus 3,000. And make sure you're including your variables y and x when you're writing that equation. Now we're going to do the same thing, but we're writing an equation to represent Jessica's savings. She's already saved $400 and she's planning to save an additional $100 each month. So for the slope, we're looking at what repeats. In this case, this $100 is repeating each month. So that's going to be our slope. And the y-intercept, what she's starting out with, is $400. So when we write our equation, we're going to have y equals 100x plus 400. And that's it.